Children, next problem. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So take one square ABCD. In this, prove that diagonals are equal. So one is AC is equal to BD, and diagonals bisect each other. That is OA is equal to OC, and OB is equal to OD. And one more condition, perpendicular bisect. See, ABCD is a square. It means in a square all sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and angle A is equal, angle B is equal, angle C is equal to angle D, that is 90 degrees. What you have to prove? First, bisect each other, that is OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, that is one condition. Next, diagonals are perpendicular, AC perpendicular to BD. Third condition, diagonals are equal, AC is equal to BD. See, proof. The first condition. Observe the triangles AOB and COD. AOB, triangle COD. This what are equal? AOB, COD. What about these two angles? Every square is a parallelogram. So parallelogram, opposites are parallel. So this angle is equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles. So these two parallel also. Why? Every square is a parallelogram. These two parallel. So angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. This one angle. Alternate interior angles. Next. What about these two angles? Again, these two parallel lines, this is transversal, these two also alternate interior angles. So angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. This is also angle. This alternate interior angles. What about AB and CD? Opposite sides are equal. All sides equal. AB also equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. This is side. So angle side angle. Angle side angle. By ASA congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So OA, OC corresponding parts. Therefore, OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC, and one more corresponding sides. OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD by CP CD. So diagonals bisect each other. And the first condition is over. Next, see the second condition. Observe triangles AOB and COB. Triangle AOB, triangle COB. What are equal? OA is equal to OC, or AO is equal to CO. OE is equal to OC. Next, OB is OB, common side. OB is equal to OB. This is common side. This is prod. Next, AB is equal to CD. All sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. This is given. So side, side, side. By triple-S congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by triple-S rule. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts equal. So what about these two angles? These two angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. So angle AOB equal to angle COB. Angle COB by CB CT. But sum of these two angles how much? This angle plus this angle. This is a linear pair of angles. Sum is 180 degrees. So angle AOB plus angle COB is 180 degrees. But these two angles are equal. So angle AOB, again replace COB by AOB. Why? Both are equal. Angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOB plus angle AOB, 2 angle AOB, that is 180 degrees. From this, angle AOB is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degrees. So angle AOB 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So AB, AC perpendicular to angle AOB 90 degrees, angle COB also 20 degrees. Therefore, AC perpendicular to BD. This is the second condition. And prove third condition. Next third case. Observe the triangles ABC and BAD. Triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Observe what are equal. ABC triangle, BAD triangle. So AB is a common side. This is common side. What about BCAD? These two sides also equal. Now what about angle ABC? Angle B. AB is nothing but angle B. It is 90 degrees. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. Angle A also 90 degrees. Angle BAD is 90 degrees. One more. BC is equal to AD. Already there. BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. See? Side, angle, side. By SAA's congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. For triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAA's rule. So this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. What are the corresponding parts? AC and BD are corresponding parts. Therefore, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD by CB CT. Hence proof. Next problem. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Take ABCD one square, and the diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD, that is given. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is equal to BD, that is one condition. Next, bisect each other. So diagonals bisect each other. That is OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. That is also given. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. And right angles bisect each other at right angles. So AC perpendicular to BD. That is also given. Here each angle is 90 degrees. Now observe the triangles. These two equal. Observe the triangles OAB and OBC. Prove that ABCD is a square. How to prove ABCD is square? So all sides equal and one of the angle is 90 degrees. Then that is a square. So prove that first. All sides are equal. Observe the triangle OAB and OBC. OAB triangle OCB. What are equal? OA is equal to OC. That is given. OA is equal to OC. Next, angle AOB 90 degrees. Angle COB also 90 degrees. That is also given. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB is 90 degrees. Why? AC perpendicular to BD. Next, OB is equal to OB, that is the common side. OB is equal to OB. This is common side. Side, angle, side. By SAS congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. For triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCB by side, angle, side. SAS rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC. For AB is equal to BC by CB CD. Similarly, we can prove these two triangles also congruent. So then BC is equal to CD. This is one. Similarly, we can prove we can write BC is equal to CD. Why? This is congruent to this. So BC and CD are corresponding parts. You can write BC is equal to CD. And also you can write these two also congruent. CD is equal to AB. So one is AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA. Again, these two also congruent. And DA also equal to AB. From 1, 2, 3 and 4, what you can write? M1, 2, 3 and 4. You can write AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DB. CD is equal to DA, DA is equal to AB. So AB is equal to BC is equal CD is equal DA. So in a quadrilateral, all sides are equal. See next. Next, after the triangles ABC and BAD triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Observe what are equal? ABC triangle, BAD triangle. AB is AB, the common side. This is common side. Next, BC is equal to AD. All sides are equal. So BC is equal to AD. Why? AB is equal, BC is equal, CD is equal, DA. All sides are equal. Next, what is one more condition? Next given AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal given. So AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. This is given. See, side, side, side. By three-base congruency rule, this triangle congruent to this triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. By three-base rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are equal. Now what are corresponding angles? This and these are corresponding angles. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by CPCD. Now what about sum of these two angles? These two parallel lines, sum of these two angles 180. So angle ABC plus angle BAD is 180 degrees. So angle ABC, again in place of BAD right, again ABC is 180 degrees. And this two angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. From this angle ABC equal to 180 by 2, 90 degrees. So one of the angle is 90 degrees. Angle B 90 degrees. So in a quadrilateral ABCD, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and one angle is 90 degrees. Therefore, ABCD is a square.